going to tell you how to pronounce the English alphabet properly. At the end of my video, I've got an exercise on how to pronounce different letters correctly. This is the complete English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or American English Z. And this is the first letter, A, like in apple, A. B, like in butterfly, B. C, like in cat, C. D, like in dolphin, D. E, like in elephant, E. F, like in flamingo, F. G, like in giraffe, G. H, like in horse, H. I, like in ice cream, I. J, like in jaguar, J. K, like in kids, K. L, like in lion, L. M, like in monkey, M. N, like in night, N. O, like in owl, O. P, like in penguin, P. Q, like in queen, Q. R, like in rocket, R. S, like in sun, S. T, like in tiger, T. U, like in umbrella, U. V, like in vampire, V. W, like in watermelon, W. X, like in X-ray, X. Y, like in yoga, Y. Z, like in zebra, Z, Z. And now once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. This was the complete English alphabet. And now we're going to do an exercise. Please tell me, what letter is this? This is the letter D. D. What letter is this? Tell me. This is the letter U. Yes, U. What letter is this? This is the letter G. Exactly, G. And what letter is this? This is the letter, yes, H. H. What letter is this? This is the letter Y. Yes, Y. And finally, what letter is this? That's the letter E. E. Exactly, E. This is the end of my video. Thank you. Very well done. You did a great job. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.